So how do you mark days on the iPhone calendar? Let me explain it. And if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. So at first, I would go to the settings app and you can see on the main settings page, when we get to the bottom entirely, we can find apps. And from those, you can basically scroll through the entire list of every single built-in as well as third-party app. And under the C, we have the calendar, which we can tap on and adjust the settings specifically for this, right? And there are some things which you might want to do to adjust like the days. One of them is the start week on, right? So start week on, you can see that you can choose the system settings, meaning that the week starts on a Sunday, but you can change the day settings to make sure that the week starts on Monday, for example. That's a very common option. Or you can choose from any other days as well. So that's like the first day settings on the calendar. And outside of that, we have like the view week starts on today, right? Or whatever. And yeah, we have more things. But if you want to like mark days on a calendar, meaning that you want to add some events or something, you can definitely open up the calendar as such, right? You can go to the mode where you can see the whole month, and you can see some days are marked and others are not. And it is simply because those days contain events. So if you want to mark some day in here, you can, for example, go to the 23rd, click on the plus button, start an event like this, whatever it might be, right? And we can pick it to be the whole day. And now when I click on a done and come back to the month view, you can see that we have also marked this day with some event. It has the blue color because it contains, or it is part of a calendar. You know, the colors are color coded sort of, so you can see that this event belongs to the home calendar, but there are even like more available, so you can color code them how you want, but that's essentially all I wanted to show you. So let me know in the comments below if you actually got your question answered. Let me know what you think below. I'm going to wrap up the video right now, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.